Hi, I'm me. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a cherry blossom. I finished sketch, so I'm going to start to put the white background on the flower. Okay. And then I'm going to put the pollens at the middle. And then I put the pink color, not too dark, light pink on the flower. And then I put dark pink for making a shadow, and use smudge tool to spread the dark pink color on the flower. Then I put a pollen stalk with white color. And then I just put black background to make the cherry blossom stand out. And then I put pollen base. I use dark pink. Yeah, just put at the middle under the pollens. I'm making more shadow. I use dark gray for making shadow. Yeah, I sketch first. I put the line on the flower, and then I put the dark gray color. After that, I use smudge to spread the color. And I low opacity, yeah, and then it will look like shadow. And next I will put the different shade of the pink to put on the flower lobes. I already sketched, you can see the lines. And next I'm using the white color and making the edges inside the flower lobes, so it like every lobe, it look like it wrinkled, it look more real. and I'm using smudge to spread the dark pink color. Yeah, we don't want it so obvious. We want it spread around like watercolor. Yeah, and use opacity, low opacity to help, and use smudge to spread color. Then I keep adding more shadow, and then next I clear the color that is out of frames. You can see, you have to zoom in a lot. Yeah, and clean it. And I continue adding more shadow. Use gray color, but I low opacity, and use smudge to spread color. And next I adding more flower lobe at the bottom. That when you add it, you have to add shadow. I use black color and use smudge to spread the color. And yeah, I have to low opacity. And if it's still very dark, you can use eraser, but low opacity, and erase it. And the last one, you put the flower stalk, and then it's done.